Today I'm going to be making a super fast and super easy microwave poached egg. We need a piece of bread, I've got an egg, and I've got a little bit of butter. And I also have a ramekin. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take my ramekin and I'm going to spray it with some cooking spray. So I'm going to do that right now and I'll come back. Okay, there we go. Okay, the second thing I'm going to do, I'm going to pour in a 1/4 cup of water. Then I'm going to take my egg and I'm going to get my egg right in there. Now at this point the water is almost at the top but not quite. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually measure this out and I'm going to add in 1 more tablespoon, 2 more. It's almost at the top and that's perfect. I want it to be very accurate with the amount of water, just so that we all know. I'm going to measure this as well later on and tell you the exact measurement of the ramekin. Now at this point I'm going to put it in my microwave for 45 seconds. While that's going, I'm going to toast up my bread. So 45 seconds on high. And there is our egg, 45 seconds in the microwave on high. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to take a fork and I'm going to drain off the water. Ooh, that's hot. So I'll just be back in 1 second. I'm just waiting for my toast. So there's our egg. Here's our toast. We'll get a little butter on there. Good enough. We'll get our nice egg. And let's open it up. Perfect poached egg. I almost forgot to measure the ramekin. 3.5 inches in diameter and about 1 3/4 inches tall. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you next time.